What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK13 ELE Auto-TK. This is going to be our self-adjusting brake kit with Timken bearings for a 5,200 pound axle. We can see right here, this is the box you'll get it in. Got the nice logo on it. Then we got our two smaller boxes. We'll pull this one open. We got our True Ride hub and drum with the 6 on 5.5 pattern. Races are already pressed in on both sides. Then we have our backing plate, and then we can tell that this is the self-adjusting plate because of the cord. This is the mechanism that allows it to adjust out as you use it. We can also see the sticker down in here. This is what's going to tell us left hand, right hand. And we'll pull all of our small parts out of here, including our Timken bearings. We have our other hub and drum and our other backing plate. So in this kit we're going to get two hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. Then we're going to get our two inner and our two outer. The inners are going to be the 25580 and the outers are going to be the 15123s. And we have our seals, and we're actually going to get 4 seals. And the reason that we get 4 is because we can see two of these are 1 1/4 and 2 are 1 1/8. The thinner ones are the newer style. The thicker ones are for the older style axles. We like to make sure that you get everything you need, no matter what kind of axle you got. And we're going to get 4 grease caps. 2 are going to have the hole in it for the easy lube spindles with the rubber caps. And 2 are just going to be the solid grease caps for just the regular spindles. And we're going to have our lug nuts. We're going to get 12 of these. And we're also going to get our brake mounting hardware. Now, with the brake mounting hardware, these will actually go through the plate on the axle and then into the brake bag. So a lot of these will come in the axle already, but sometimes they fall out. You just got to push a new one in. So you just push it through the plate, through here, tighten it down, and you're good to go. And then we have our hardware. We're going to get 2 castle nuts, 2 regular washers for the regular spindles, and then 2 tang washers for the easy loop spindles. And then we're also going to get 2 cotter pins. Generally you won't need the cotter pins, but we like to send them to make sure that you guys get everything you need. That's it, guys. That's the BK13 ELE Auto-TK.